So I'm gonna be trying this durian. Durian or durian?
Durian, yeah.
Durian. I'm gonna be trying this durian fruit for the first time. Huh. Trying durian for the first time. The smell. Woo. Taste and don't smell.
Good.
Smell? Will you eat all of it? One more.
Don't know what to think. Just put it in your mouth. Just put just put it in your mouth.
This one
Just
better?
put it in your mouth.
This one better.
Yeah.
Wow. It's an interesting taste. Right? Don't think I like it.
Sorry.
Just put it in your mouth. Just put it in. Just put everything in. Just put it in one time and just suck it.
No.
No, just do. Don't waste it. Just put everything in your mouth. Just close your eyes, put it in and suck it and you don't taste it. Just put the whole thing in your mouth. One go. Suck. Suck it. Just suck it. Yeah. It's an acquired taste. I don't think I like. Don't think I like. Nah. Are you ready for them now? When you're ready. So I'm gonna add some salt here to the jackfruit and then water and leave it to soak in the salt and water. Always have jackfruit with salt. It doesn't affect your belly when you do. Otherwise, it can give you a belly pain. Not good for stomach if no salt. So I'm adding salt here and then add water and leave it to soak for as long as you want, maybe in the refrigerator. So this is how we have jackfruit to prevent tummy ache or tummy upset. So this morning we're going to be having some local fruits for breakfast. So here we have some jackfruit, which has been soaked in salted water. We have 2 ripe bananas here. We have a tangerine, more jackfruit. We have a dragon fruit here. We have some rambutans, which is my favorite fruit here in Indonesia so far. We have a huge papaya here. We have some snake fruit, coconut water, mango, and here we have some mangosteen. So we're going to eat and tell you what they taste like, if they taste similar to anything we've had in Jamaica or anywhere else. So mangosteen, rambutans, dragon fruit, jackfruit, snake fruit, not so very ugly looking mango, and jelly coconut. Oh, and here we have some apples. We found these apples. We think they're OTT apples from Jamaica, but we tried one yesterday at local market. It was quite similar. So now we're going to have some fruits. So first we're going to have our jackfruit that's been soaked in salt water. You want to have the jackfruit first?
Jackfruit is very cold.
So this is our jackfruit here. Jackfruit. I think it's hard though. Tasty salt is nice. So you take the seed out and eat the flesh. Beautiful.
If I was home, I would boil these and eat them.
Well, you can eat them.
But I am not. So I've got to leave them right here in garden.
So here we are trying local Indonesian fruit. So that's jackfruit. Now we're going to try the snake fruit. This one here, you just try to crack the shell. You use your fingers? They use their fingers, right? So I mean, you can't open it. I'm going to use the knife. I'm not cracking it well. So let me crack and show you the actual fruit. Oh, this is hard to open. It's actually a very beautiful fruit. There we have it. So you take the outer bit off. It's very dry when you take the shell off. The inner bit is dry. So that's the snake fruit there. Now we're going to eat it and tell you what it tastes like. Tiny one here. It's very sweet. I think it tastes similar to the jackfruit, but it's just a little bit firmer. So it tastes quite similar to the jackfruit. What do you think, sis? It tastes similar to the jackfruit? But it's very dry. The texture is a dry fruit. See, there's no moisture on it, so it's a very dry fruit.
It's very sweet.
It's very sweet. You get a crunch when you bite into it. It's a bit crunchy fruit. It's very crunchy and sweet. It has a seed in the middle too. But it's very sweet. I like this one too.
Me too, I like this one.
There's a seed there.
There's a seed. Could make a necklace out of these seeds. That one. Oh, pretty seed.
Next, we're going to try the mangosteen. We've actually tried this one before. It's beautiful. They have a tea that we bought at the Luwak factory. Mangosteen tea. It's beautiful. So let's try the fruit here. Crack it open. Take the skin off. Oops. So just peel the skin off. Just peel the skin off here. So let's remove it from the skin. That's mangosteen. It's the most beautiful fruit ever. It's very sweet and creamy. Mangosteen is amazing. This one doesn't have any seeds in there. It's beautiful. What I've noticed, you see some little yellow dots on the mangosteen here. I think you should avoid buying them with the yellow dots, because the yellow dots go through the skin and make the white, there's a yellow mark on the white flesh that you eat. So don't buy the one with these little yellow dots all over them. So this mangosteen here, how white and pretty this one is. So this is a good quality one. No yellow marks inside, just clean and white and pretty. Here's this. And my ultimate favorite, the rambutans. So here's the rambutan. This is similar to lychee or our Jamaican guinea, but it's amazing. So rambutans, but they're beautiful. The ultimate favorite of all rambutans. You just squeeze it until it pops, and there you have it. I mean, even though it looks prickly, it's soft, it doesn't prick you. But they're beautiful. The most beautiful fruit here in Indonesia. And mangosteen. And it does have a seed. That's the seed there. Don't know if I can sneak some back with me to go plant in Jamaica. So now we're going to cut into this beautiful papaya. Indonesian papaya. Are we ready for it? It has a little spoil there, but hey, we're cutting into this amazing fruit here. Wait for it. It's for breakfast. Ooh, look. Amazing. So breakfast here is fruit this morning. We're being a bit of a fruitarian in Bali, trying to avoid Bali belly, because Bali belly is real. Well, not much seeds in the papaya, right? So yeah, let's try some. Let's try some papaya. Just put the seeds here. And the seeds are good to eat. They're a bit fiery, but they help to get rid of parasites out of the body. So you should eat the papaya seeds. Taste one, sis. Let me try some of the seeds for you.
Sorry. Oh. As much as I have barley belly, I can't eat the seed.
You should.
Fiery.
They are fiery.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try the papaya here.
Very spicy.
Come, sis. Taste the papaya and let them know how the papaya tastes. Balinese papaya. Is it good? Sweet? So, let's have some papaya.
Very good.
Mmm. This is lovely. Mmm. Nothing like them flopsy ones up behind the market in the UK. Mmm. Papaya is amazing. Mmm. So now we have the famous dragon fruit. Let's hope this one is sweet. I don't like the color.
It is sweet.
So cutting the dragon fruit here. And what a dragon fruit. So with the dragon fruit, you just lift the skin and peel it back.
Look at that color.
Just lift the skin and peel it back.
Lovely color. Wow.
See? Peel. Let's try a slice. Go, sis, try and tell the audience how's the dragon fruit here in Indonesia. So easy to just take the skin off. Is it very sweet?
I've tried these in the UK, me and my daughter.
So,
oh my god, it was disgusting. But these ones, they are very sweet.
Dragon fruit here.
Very sweet.
Very popular here. Lovely.
Very nice. And juicy.
So I'll enjoy the rest of my fruit. We have bananas here that was given to us by a local. And this mango, I don't want to embarrass myself. It's not mango season and they aren't good. But we've tried white mangoes. You'll see the white mangoes in the next clip. Here we have white mango here, and the yellow mango in Indonesia, Bali. We bought white mango in the market, and it tastes beautiful. It tastes like mango. But they were beautiful. We had some white mangoes and yellow mangoes for breakfast one morning.
If you're not in Bali, because I know these in the UK are overseas, can be very disgusting.
Yeah, they're not fit, so they, when we get them, they're not lovely. But here, they're the real deal. This is beautiful. So now, from us here in Bali. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and eat more papaya. So here we have the apple. We're going to try the apple here. Excuse the knife, it's pink because of the dragon fruit. But we want to try the apple here too.
I was wondering what I could take back for them to eat. Now I
Oh,
know.
you notice there's no seed in this apple. Like, we have big seed in the OTT apple.
Is there? Oh yes, there is. So probably.
So in Jamaica,
seed in there.
we have a bigger seed in our OTT apple, but it looks the same. Tastes almost the same, but there's no big seed in here. But that's the apple there. Here, sis. Eat and tell what it tastes like.
It does taste like an apple family, but it's not like our apple.
Yeah, it's some apple family, but it's not quite our Jamaican OTT apple.
And
Our
it's not
OTT apple.
very sweet.
It's not very sweet either. Don't know if it needs ripening, but it's fresh. It's a fresh tasting fruit.
As you can see from my facial expression, it's not as sweet.
And maybe it needs to be ripened. A lot of fruits here now are low in season. They're not in season, but they're still selling them. So maybe this is one needs to be ripened. But it's nice. It's refreshing. What do you think?
It is. I agree. But this jackfruit, I'm eating all of this one today.
It's beautiful.
But then again, when
We're enjoying local fruits in Bali. The best thing to avoid Bali belly. Eat local fruits and drink coconut water. Otherwise, you'll live on the toilet and your stomach will be nasty.
like mine. All morning I'm in pain. from out o'clock this morning. I'm scared to eat. Don't know if this is gonna do the same thing, but I'm hoping not.
After all this fruits this morning, we're gonna cook with a local family this evening, fish. But you will see that in another vlog.